What if I told you that the biggest threat to your retirement isn't inflation, the stock market, or even a recession, but the way you've been taught to save? And if you're over 45, this mistake could already be costing you years of financial freedom. Imagine spending decades working hard, putting money away every month, believing you're doing everything right, only to discover that your retirement plan was never designed to give you the life you dreamed of. Sounds unbelievable, right? But stay with me, because what you're about to hear could completely change the way you think about retirement. A few years ago, I met a man named David. He was 52, disciplined, responsible, and the kind of person financial experts love to talk about. He never missed a contribution, never carried unnecessary debt, and followed every traditional piece of retirement advice he could find. Yet one evening, while reviewing his numbers, he realized something shocking. Even after decades of saving, the retirement he envisioned was still out of reach. Why? Because he had focused entirely on how much he was saving, instead of how effectively his money was growing. This is where most people over 45 go wrong. They believe retirement success comes from putting more money aside. But the real secret is making every dollar work harder. Many people keep their savings in accounts that barely keep pace with inflation. Others become so conservative that their money stops growing altogether. And while playing it safe feels comfortable, comfort can become extremely expensive over time. Think about it this way. If your money grows slowly while the cost of living rises quickly, you're actually moving backward. Retirement isn't just about accumulating money. It's about creating income, flexibility, and security for decades after your paycheck stops. That requires a strategy, not just a savings habit. And here's something even more surprising. The closer you get to retirement, the more valuable time becomes. Not because you have less of it, but because every financial decision carries greater weight. Small adjustments made today can create dramatically different outcomes 10 or 15 years from now. By the way, if this is opening your eyes to something you haven't heard before, take a second to hit the like button. It helps more people discover information that could save them from costly retirement mistakes. Now let's talk about another hidden problem. Many people believe they need a giant nest egg before they can retire comfortably. But successful retirees often focus on cash flow instead of account balances. They ask a different question. How can my assets generate reliable income? That shift in thinking changes everything. It turns retirement from a finish line into a sustainable lifestyle. The truth is, retirement planning isn't about following outdated rules. It's about understanding today's realities, adapting your strategy, and making informed decisions that align with your future goals. The people who retire confidently aren't necessarily the ones who earned the most money. They're often the ones who learned how to make their money work smarter. So before you continue doing what you've always done, ask yourself one question. Is your retirement plan preparing you for the future you want, or just helping you feel busy in the present? If you found value in this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss insights that can strengthen your financial future. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it, and in the comments, tell us what retirement lesson surprised you the most. Your answer might help someone else avoid a costly mistake.